middle. Nah. Don't worry about it. All right, left leg, bottom button. A little bit more. All right, stop. Come on, drive in here. It's gonna get scary, it's okay. Come on. There you go, all right. Right leg, top button. Right leg, bottom button. Ah, tilt it back down. Stop. Right leg, lift it up. Oh no, left leg, I'm saying. Left leg, bottom button. Good. All right, back it up. Other way, all the way up. Beautiful. Drop it back down to the ground for safe driving. All right, scoot back in your seat all the way. What? Scoot back in your seat all the way. Go back. Actually, come back around this way and push that dirt on top of that slop. So you're set up. Just go backwards, come back around, and then go straight in. All right, wait. Drop your bucket down, curl. All right, back it up just a little bit. Lift your boom. The boom is the big one, just up that much. You're so good. All right, now turn it into that and push that dirt onto that pile. Not your fault. Not your fault. Back, 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 back. Drop your bucket. Turn it down a little bit. Nuh-uh. There you go. That one. Now try it again. Keep going. All right. Lift up your boom and tilt your bucket to leave the dirt behind. We all make mistakes, it's okay. Go back, go back, go back. Keep it straight, go back. Let me get some plastic out of here. Tilt your bucket down some more. All right, now do it again. Both hands, push it. Yeah. Oh, you feel it? All right. Up with the boom and then dump the bucket. Ladies and gentlemen, my 7-year-old. Love it. What you gonna do now? How about you get a big old scoop of that and put it in there?
What?
Why don't you get a big old scoop of that and put it in there? He's better than I am at just about everything. That means up and down. This means curl the bucket. Now, other way. There you go. Perfect. Hey. Good job. You understand what I'm saying? You look so serious. Oh, I hope one day you find this video. Farther in, buddy. Perfect. I'm loving it. We got our number 1 supervisor here. Number 2 supervisor's over there. She's watching our 6, but... Can you put the dirt back on the pile, sir? Do you want to? Okay, go. Tristan! Tristan! Go backwards. Curl the bucket up. Curl up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Push harder. There you go. Drop the boom. Yep. Now run into that pile. Now, it's hard for you to do, but normally what I would do is I would lift up with both at the same time. You don't have to, because I know your legs are short. I don't want you to do anything that's dangerous. Perfect. Stop. Now curl the bucket back a little bit more. All right. Just go backwards. And come put it on that pile. So come around. Harder. There, you're pushing the button now. Good job, buddy. You won't be able to hear this until you watch the video later, but you're kicking butt. I'm very proud of you right now. What do you think, Buster? You good? You want a break? You want a break? One more. All right. Good job, kid. I'm going to turn this off so I can focus on your safety a little bit more.